Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding gutter cleaning and window cleaning businesses in your area. And if you're like me, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you want, plus your city name, and pick from the first few results down below in the organic search results or up here in the Google Map Pack. And this seems to be a pretty popular method. As you'll notice, there's about 70 different searches every single month for gutter cleaning in Ashburn. And you can multiply that by X number of times because we also have other search terms such as gutter cleaning near me or window cleaning near me. And there's a ton of other ones out there. But the goal of this is to put our business at the forefront of those searches so that we can guarantee that at least 70 people every single month see our business first before looking at our competitors. However, in order to do that, we'll need to understand a few things first. First off, we'll need to build out our content, as content is king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites and see what they're doing as far as content goes. So here we have Guttermade, and you'll notice that they built in a ton of content on their website. If we scroll down here, you'll get to see a little bit more of it, and you'll start to notice that this isn't just any content, but this content is filled with keywords and phrases that are really helping them rank accordingly. So to give you an idea of what keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we work from, and ultimately who we are, and that's going to help them put us in searches related to our business, such as high volume or business related search terms like gutter cleaning in Ashburn, Virginia, or gutter cleaning near me. So we want to make sure that we have our industry specific keywords on our website while still remaining very content full. And let's see if your website currently does that. So here we are on your website, and as I go through it, I do notice that you have some content on your website, but we'll always want to go bigger and better than our competitors. So not only do we want more content on this website, we're also going to fill it with more direct keywords and phrases that are relevant to those high volume search terms that we want to rank for. That way we make sure that we can appear for each one. But if I told you that all you needed was content and keywords, I wouldn't be doing you the biggest favor because we'll also need backlinks and citations to really push our website forward in the rankings, as content and keywords, in my eyes, are going to help lay the foundation, whereas backlinking is really going to give us that big push to get ahead of our competition in the overall rankings. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure and see what they're doing to help rank them on the first page. So here we are on a tool I use called Ahrefs, and if you take a look here, you're going to notice that your competitor has built out about 1,300 links, or I should say 1,300 links to their website, and it's really been able to generate some power for them, as you'll see over here. And it's ultimately bringing in about 4,000 users a month and about $8,000 worth of traffic value. And like I said, this is a direct result of both their internal factors, such as content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. And this really makes you ask yourself, what could your business do with an extra 4,000 viewers a month and an extra $8,000 worth of value? So definitely a lot of potential here, but let's go over to your website and see what you're doing as far as backlinking goes. So now we're looking at your business, and you'll notice that you only have 5 backlinks being built. And while it's generating you some small power, it's not really bringing in any users, and there's not really much value being added to this traffic. So we really want to change that around, and we really want to go bigger and better than our competitors so that we could start bringing in those users and ultimately generating revenue for our business. So if our competitors have 1,300 backlinks, we're going to need 1,500 or even 2,000 backlinks to really go above and beyond them, on top of the extra content and the keywords and everything else. So like I said, if we do all those things, we should start to see a positive movement. But before I cut this video, I did mention something called citations. And just a quick overview of those. Those are going to be very important for the Google Map Pack down here. And ultimately, what a citation is it's your business's name, address, and phone number being listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages. All those are different citations, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So let's take a look at how many citations each of these companies has and determine how many you'll need to really go in and start outranking them. So here we are in White Spark, and you'll notice Prime Exteriors has 20 citations, Ned Stevens Gutter Cleaning has 15, and Ashburn Windows and Cleaning Services has 10. Now, ultimately, we want to double the biggest number in here because, like I said, we always want to go bigger than our competitors. So we're going to want 40 citations along with all the things we talked about. And if you do all that, you should start to see massive improvements in the amount of revenue your business is creating for you on a month-to-month basis. Now, once again, that's all I have for you in this video. My name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I'd love to set up a meeting with you to talk about any questions or maybe concerns you had that involve this video. So feel free to reach out. And I guess the only thing that I'll leave you with is a question, asking you how much is, over 4,000 organic users a month worth to you, as well as an extra $8,000 in traffic value. So ask yourself that question. And like I said, feel free to reach out. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.